Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide demo of our heart disease detection XAI with support vector mission already with the same code and the same data set. We have worked with random forest, and in random forest it was getting nearly 100% accuracy. So now in this demo we are going to work with support vector mission, and we are going to make a comparison regarding random forest and support vector mission. So with this particular data set, based on that comparison, we will just conclude which is providing some better results. So for that, initially we are just importing the libraries like OS, warnings, then NumPy, pandas, then we are calling our data set. You can see that our data set is having only numerical values, and here for the x variable declaration we will just take all the variables apart from the target, and because target is considered as a classification variable, and for the y variable we will just take as the target variable only, and then we are calling the info of the data set whether it is an integer or type, and then we are just making checking whether our data set is having any null values. So for that, then we are just declaring our x value and y value. As I said, apart from target, we are just making all the variables or features into the x variable, and also the target variable value is made to the y variable. So and then we are, by using the x variable and the y variable, we are splitting the x train, x test, y train and y test function by using the train, test and split library, and also the testing size we are declaring as 20%. So 20% will be taken for testing, and the remaining 80% would be allocated for training. Then since we are going to make an XAI representation, we are importing the libraries of a line for XAI representation, and also we are declaring our explainer variable by which we will be declaring or plotting the XAI graph. Then we are also declaring or importing the performance metrics libraries like accuracy score, classification report, and confusion matrix. And initially, in the previous video, we would have run with random forest, and in that we got nearly 100% accuracy. And this is the XI graph for it. Now we are going to work with support vector mission. In the support vector mission, we are getting an initially we are just making the libraries for support vector mission, and we are calling the support vector mission in an SVM function and a variable, and then by using it we are making the training by using the fit variable, and also fit function, and also the variables like x train and y train, and then we are making the testing by using the predict function and using the x variable, and then we are declaring the accuracy score and also the confusion matrix. So this is the confusion matrix for the support vector mission, and then we are printing the classification report by using this SVM, YPRED SVM, and also the testing variable. You can see we are getting only 75% accuracy with the SVM, and also the precision recall F1 square values are also within 75-74 only. So when compared to random forest and support vector vision, random forest only is providing better results. Then we are moving to the XAI graph representation. For that, we are declaring an explainer variable by using the SPM function which we have declared, and then we are making the features as 6. If you want to different features means you can just change over here, and by this we are just making to display the intercept value, prediction local value, and then we are making to display our XAI graph. Here you can see we have declared a feature and value graph. Here it is having nearly 6 features, since we call the number of features as 6. If you want some different number of features means you can change over there, and you can just change the features. And also in this thing the j is 15. So in this case, if you want to change this also, you can change as 5, 10, etc. And then since we are having 6 features, here also a list of 6 features values will be declared. What is declared over here will be printed over here. So from this we must just make one conclusion that when compared to support vector mission, random forest support vector mission is not providing better results with this particular data set. So if you want to know the demo of some other video means, we can comment in a comment box. So if we are aware of it, means we will definitely make a video regarding it. Thank you.